This assessment asks us to predict the product for this Grignard reaction. The Grignard is reacting with carbon dioxide, so if we have carbon dioxide as our reagent, a Grignard reagent is a good strong anionic nucleophile, so it can directly attack the carbon of carbon dioxide, breaking a CO pi bond, kicking electrons onto oxygen. That forms a new carbon-carbon bond with one double bond to oxygen, one single bond to oxygen, and a negative charge. If we want to be complete, the countercation is the magnesium bromide countercation. This is then quenched with an H3O plus quench, and so the O minus can react with H3O plus. The O minus, one of the lone pairs on the O minus can do an acid-base reaction, take the hydrogen from H3O plus, and that will form our final product. And our final product will be a carboxylic acid. This is the product of this Grignard reaction.